Hey everyone, welcome back to the Genius Team channel, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a new language on Mac operating system in just a few simple steps. It doesn't matter which macOS version you're using. I'm running macOS Sequoia 15.1 on my unsupported MacBook Pro 2017, and let's get right there. First, click the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select System Settings. In the Settings panel, scroll down and look for Language and Region. Click on it to open the language preferences. By default, the preferred language is English, but if you want to add another language, just click the plus sign at the bottom of the Preferred Languages list. A pop-up window will appear with a list of available languages. Scroll through the list or type the name of the language you'd like to add. Once you've found it, click to select it, and then press Add. macOS will ask if you want to use the new language as your primary one. If yes, click Use Language. For my case, it's Arabic language. Yours may differ according to the language you choose to add. Otherwise, select Keep English Language, which is my current language. Another pop-up will appear asking you to select your preferred keyboard input source. Choose your desired layout and then press the Add button. You'll notice a change in keyboard input source icon in the top right corner of your macOS PC desktop, and then you're good to go. Type in your new language like a genius. If you choose to switch your primary language, your Mac may need to restart to apply the changes. Save your work and hit Restart. Otherwise, select Restart Later. And that's it. You've successfully added a new language to your Mac. Whether you're learning a new language or just prefer working in another, macOS makes it easy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the Genius Team channel for more tech tips and insights. I'm Hassan Kasula. Peace.